The Mutare conference exposed what many already knew, that not all who wear revolutionary colors still carry the revolutionary hearts. Emerson Mnangagwa and his bogus comrades have traded the people's struggle for comfort, looting, and empty praises. They speak of unity, yet their unity is built on deceit and corruption. Kedona mjati pangwa inoi oya anyasoradza kuti haasi kufara nezviri kuitiwa munyika yedu, aiwa nyika yakarwirwa aiwa nevakatisiya not vasubscribe like on the bell icon. Another chiti in Mutare, we witnessed comrades speaking of empowerment and unity, yet the real question remains: empowerment for who? Unity under what principles? Real comrades stand for the people, not for positions or personal wealth. Chiwenga showed us that a true revolutionary does not fear truth, even when it bends. A true revolutionary does not fight to destroy, but to awaken the conscience of the nation. To respect your foe does not mean to protect lies within your own ranks. Real respect comes from the accountability and honesty. What we saw in Mutare was not the spirit of comradeship, but a performance, a desperate attempt to silence those who still dare to speak for the truth. True comrades know that power is not a throne to be protected, but a burden carried in service of the people. Real comrades are not fooled. We know the struggle continues beyond the decorated tents and the rehearsed applause. The people are watching, hungry for justice, not speeches. A real revolutionary bows only to truth, not to deceit, not to the suit of personality, and not to the machinery of corruption disguised as leadership. Mutare must be remembered as the turning point where we stopped bowing to false heroes and began restoring the truth revolutionary code: discipline, self-control, courage, and loyalty to the people above all else. Mutare must be remembered as the moment some of us drew the line between patriots and pretenders, between those who serve the people and those who serve themselves. The struggle is not over. It has merely changed its battlefield. Ndomashwari kuda panguva ine atiri kuona kuti aiwa kune vanhu vanonyatso kuziva kuti why are they in politics, why are they members of the revolution. Panguva ine isi zvamuri kunzwa zvavari kutaura vachiti aiwa zvigananda panguva ine hazvizivi zvazvinoita, they must go. Ina comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.